Thamoishen Kuramzari. Seminar on Entrepreneurship and its Workflow. Step 1. Hairibasi 1 day gi entrepreneurship ki matangda EDP seminar program amani tawgudurishina 31st March Tuesday numit nungthin pung amadagina pung manga phawak aduga physical oinasu aduga online oinasu training session hisi pangthokani class 8 tagi kitang hena tamaba ansing amasung trainee sing yaubagi chance piri aduga kari topic ta takaduribno haigaduribno haitaragadi business model matangda resource and analysis marketing finance asina jingba team building the company formation office spaces fund kamaina lauthagani scalable amsung growth kamaina porakani case study sing aduga lab tour AI drone 3D printing haibana jingba interesting oiba topic sing si loi yauri kanana sinba langbano NIELIT NIELIT aduga TEQNET Foundation aduga Government of Manipur maru ibe speaker kana oigani Manipur University gi entrepreneurship ki advisor sing banking gi banker officer sing MTI Hub akogi MSME gi nodal office ki member sing IT expert AI expert amasung TEQNET Foundation ki expert panel singna topic singda wangang bigani yawning ba singna address kaida lakadumno NIELIT Imphal da laaga Akampat dum physically yawbu yare natragana online da yawbu yare yawbagi admission fee registration fee 100 rupees per candidate makhada link pijare QR code chu pijare aduda changaga online payment tobiyu contact number anikak pijaramge 96121 14145 amasung 96124 26835 hairiba contact anisita phaunabiyu aduga UPI da online payment chu tobu yagani 8974237775 small m@pnb NIELIT Imphal haitana so pangthokadriba one day gi entrepreneurship training programs di yawbiyu gyan tabiyu khangbiyu Manipur bu chokhatpada adomgi thodang yamna chauri maram pisanadana laibadu natte yawraga action pangthoga adomna mai pakpa aduni maru oirise so this is Prakashana Marangthem business trainer ama business consultant mayamgi sayok pijage angamba mayam support tawjage thank you